Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Chromebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen on your Chromebook without any added software. So we'll be using a built-in tool that is already installed on your Chromebook. Now, one thing to note, this new tool does require you to have the latest version of Chrome OS on your Chromebook. So if for some reason this feature is not available, I recommend updating your Chromebook to the latest version or using an older method that requires software to be installed. And if you're not sure how to do that, check the links in the description because I'll include tutorials on how to do that. So to get started with how to record the screen on your Chromebook without any added software, all we need to do is go down to the bottom right and select the clock. Once the menu opens up, you'll see a bunch of different options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You should see a screen capture button right here. Go ahead and select that. And then as you can see, this is a tool that we can use to take screenshots on our Chromebook. But if we go down to the bottom left and select this little camera icon, it looks like a video camera, toggle that over. As you can see, it says screen record. From here, we have a couple different options on how we can record our screen on our Chromebook. We can record full screen. We can record a section of our screen. So if I select that, it'll allow me to select a portion of the screen, and this will be the only area that is recorded through video. Then we also have the ability to select a window. So if you're trying to record a game or something like that, you'd want to select that and then just choose that window. So right here, I'm going to choose the Chrome browser and then it will start recording. Now, one thing before we start recording, if you'd like to enable the microphone on your Chromebook and include your voice or any sounds around you in your recording, go ahead over and select the settings and then just toggle that on. Once you've selected your desired recording type, either full screen, partial, or window, go ahead and move your mouse up and just select the open area up here. As you can see, it starts counting down, and then it is now recording my screen. As you can see in the bottom right, we have a little red icon that lets us know that our screen is being recorded. So if I select that, it will stop the screen recording and it'll allow me to actually watch that screen recording if I click here. You can also delete it down here if you select delete. So I'll open that up. And this opened up the File Explorer on my Chromebook, so I just have to open this window, and then you can see the screen recording that I just took. All right, so that's how you record your screen on a Chromebook without any added software. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Chromebook tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.